Once in a while, we get a little later model trade-in, and here's an example of that. 2018 Ford Transit Connect titanium package passenger long wheelbase vehicle. 2-owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles are actual, a little over 57,000 miles is all. 2.5 liter underneath the hood. Of course, all your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Actually a 6-speed automatic front wheel drive vehicle. You can also see parking sensors up front there. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, engine bay, undersides, this vehicle can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on alloy wheels. Titanium package is going to give you the leather interior. This is actually a 6-passenger vehicle, and also nicely equipped with electronic climate control, touch screen, steering wheel controls. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll open it up a little bit, let you see in the interior. Of course, we do take trade-ins, obviously. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See rear parking sensors on the back fascia also. Receiver hitch. Does have a trailering package. And again, check out the still pictures. You can take your time looking through it, be able to see a copy of the window sticker if you want to see how exactly this is equipped. That'll be in the still pictures. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. 2-owner vehicle. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. So 2nd row buckets. Again, 6-passenger seating. It's going to have, I guess, what you call a sky view with a power shade. I have it open at the moment, but there is a power shade. That's in working order. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Do a power seat here on the driver's side. You can see seating surfaces, good shape. Kind of what you'd expect from a model year 2018 with not a lot of miles on it. Again, steering wheel controls. Touch screen, electronic climate control, heated seats. So a lot of amenities in the titanium package. Let's go ahead and start it up. Until the vehicle's been stored indoors, dash good shape. We got the driver's door ajar. There's your actual miles. 57,782. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. And slip around front, I guess, let you take a peek underneath the hood and see how clean it is underneath there also. Let me pause this a second. We'll pop the hood and check it out. There's the hood propped open. Give you an idea what it looks like. And again, nice, clean, and tidy. What you'd expect out of a 2018. A little over 57,000 on it. Smooth runner. It's one of those, if you're looking for a vehicle to maybe haul employees, haul a family of kids, and maybe you need a tailgating.
Here we have a 2018 Ford Transit Connect Titanium. Let's see how she drives. Radio works. We got turn signal indicators, Everything works on this vehicle. It's practically new. Track straight. Brakes well. There's 60 miles an hour. It's quiet ride. Smooth ride. No vibrations, no rattles. Maybe slightly pull to the left. Blower motor works. Wipers work.
Very versatile vehicle. A lot of miles left in this one. 2018 Ford Transit Connect, titanium package, passenger vehicle, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.